This is called Superior Model 1000 tube tester. This is a dynamic emissions tester. They call it, their marketing is called plate conductance. And this one was made in 1954, and I got it working. I got it calibrated. I had to replace the power cords bad. This is not original. This is kind of a shock hazard. That needs to be fixed. But we'll go over to here. The first thing I did when I got it was replace that capacitor. There's only one capacitor in it. It's right there. It's a 25 UF capacitor. I replaced that, and that's probably, I think, it's probably to protect the meter, I'm guessing. There's two. Luckily, this doesn't have. There's two diodes in it, but they're crystal diodes, so I didn't see a problem with it. So after I did that, we can read this. I'm going to read this to you about calibrating. When the controls properly adjusts, the meter will indicate on the adjustment line on the dial. The meter circuit is arranged and calibrated as an AC voltmeter and measures voltage output at the 20-volt tap on the filter secondary of the power transformer. So, okay, now we'll get back into schematic. So you look on here. There's the tap. That's what they're talking about. Here's the line adjustment. So you hook your voltmeter here. You hook your voltmeter there where my mouse is on the line tap. The hot side there, the negative there, and you turn the line adjustment, which is right here, until it reaches 25 volts. Well, on both sides of this meter, if you can't get it centered right, there's potentiometer here. One's 8K and one's there. So right here. And you got to do this flat. It's really hard to do, and it's dangerous. And hook your voltmeter up with the power on. There's two potentiometers right in here. When you turn your line on, when you get the voltmeter and you adjust it to 25 volts, chances are it's not going to be on the line thing. And it's probably not. There's your line adjustment mark. So in order to calibrate it, you got to turn these potentiometers till you're perfectly on that mark. And that's it. Once it's calibrated, then you can use it. This one was a little rough, but it's in pretty good shape. I haven't really got to testing it yet, but I do know I got it calibrated. So this is a 25 voltmeter. This is made by Simpson. Simpson made some of the best multimeters of their day, the 260s. They still make them today, and they're considered excellent. So this is basically like an Eico or all that. And I got it off eBay, and I kind of refurbish it. So.